Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Red Hills Road in Kingston and we are looking at one of the school buses that recently came into the island. Now, the government announced that they are moving to phase 2 of the school bus program and they're going to be bringing in 150 additional school buses. So they brought in 100 buses in phase 1 and the bus we're looking at is one of those. And so they plan to bring in another 100, which would bring the total to 250 school buses. Now, phase 1 of the program has been very successful. This system is what you call a game changer. Now, in this case, the school bus picks up the students at the school and takes them to basically the bus park. And this is where you can see the kids getting into a taxi. So the school bus takes them from the school to this point where they can get transportation to go home. And phase 2 will help with this program. Now, I'm not sure why they call it the rural school bus system because we are in Kingston. Red Hills Road is in Kingston. But I guess it's the rural parts of St. Andrew. I'm not sure. Alright guys, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they have planned for phase 2. The Ministry of Energy, Transport and Telecommunications has officially launched phase 2 of the rural school bus system, marking a significant expansion of one of Jamaica's most socially impactful public transportation programs. The launch came with the release of a tender for 150 new school buses, formalizing Transport Minister Darrell Vaz's earlier statement that the procurement process would begin before the end of November. The ministry noted that these buses will be used exclusively for transporting school children across the island under the National School Transportation System, a flagship initiative aimed at improving safety, reliability, and affordability in student mobility. This expansion comes at a moment when the government has openly criticized segments of the private transportation sector. In announcing the tender, the ministry highlighted long-standing concerns about overcharging, unsafe driving practices, irregular scheduling, and the vulnerability of students who rely on private taxis and minibuses to reach school. The government's messaging made it clear. The current system places too many children at risk, and a structured professional alternative is necessary to ensure access to education. The first phase of the program provided valuable lessons. While it successfully increased attendance in participating schools and reduced transportation strains on families, it also revealed the need for better routing plans, fleet servicing facilities, and monitoring technology. The Phase 2 tender therefore calls for buses equipped with GPS tracking, reinforced seatbelt equipment seating, trained operators, and integrated oversight systems to ensure accountability and student safety. Alright guys, in that sense, the rural school bus system is more than a transport project. It is an investment in human capital, community resilience, and the future of rural Jamaica. The expansion to 150 new buses marks a decisive step toward ensuring that every child, no matter where they live, can reach school safely, consistently, and with the confidence that the country is investing in their success. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.